Hi, welcome back to River Rat Garage, and I'd like to go over how to restore a door panel on a square-bodied Chevy. First thing we need to do here is, of course, you look at it, it's pretty rough. I want you to, I'll take the camera here for a second. Let me show you the roughness of it. It has a lot of little scratches and nicks and stuff. And what we're going to do here is we're going to get rid of them by using the truck bed coating first on this. So anyway, let me hand this back. And the first thing you need to do here is let me turn on the water. What we want to do is go ahead and rinse it off. And just get this thing going here. And it just doesn't seem to be wanting to go. Okay. I don't think we need to really wash it right now. I think it's clean enough as it is. Let's just kind of dry what little bit there is off on that. Okay, let's get all that moisture off, because we don't want the paint to stick, and of course, as you know, it doesn't stick to water. Anyway, here's the thing we're going to use is to do this, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the truck bed coating as part of it. Are you even on me? Gosh. Anyway, the truck bed coating to do this thing. It looks like you're a little too high, but anyway, we'll let that dry a little bit more. What we want is that to stick that. And anyway, the truck bed coating, what I'm going to use here is Rust-Oleum, just the same stuff that you get at Walmart or whatever. But the trick to truck bed coating is that you don't want to put it on too thick. And you know, you have the tendency to want to go with the paint, and you don't want to do that.